All the evidence in mind and all testimonies taken into account, I think it's very clear that the prosecution has.
We need to discuss strategy because you are being court-martialed.
Okay.
I think you know this, don't you? As you know, a lot's happened since the last time we played. You have, what did you build, Austin?
I built a weed shop underground, specifically under the Green Top Gay Bar.
The leaders of this realm, aka Jacob and Wiley, were not particularly pleased with your actions here.
Why not? It was funny.
Okay, so we've got approximately 5 minutes. Like, I don't think you understand. These two are seasoned debaters. In high school, they were both the stars of their debate team.
Well, what they don't know is that I defended Johnny from the Outsiders in a court case in my Sage English class.
Okay, that just makes you sound like a nerd. Why do you think you were in the right here?
Because no one told me the laws, and I needed money.
So are you going to plead the fifth? Is that the way that we want to take this?
I forgot what plead the fifth means.
That you like didn't know, or it's pretty much that you did the act, but like or well, I forget. Is plead the fifth like?
I don't think it's. I think that's like I have the right to remain silent or something.
Yeah. There's a bunch of rules, you know.
Yeah, says the one graduating from high school.
You're just gonna plead that you didn't know the laws, or do you want to plead that do we want to take the high road here and plead that weed is good, and that it should be allowed on the server, or do you want to just plead that you didn't know and take it down?
I think we should do it should be allowed on the server, and also the fact that they raided my personal property without getting a warrant.
That's good and all, but the one problem that I see about this is that we're essentially going up against the god of this realm. We're going up against the admin.
That's true. He could just be like, yeah, I had a warrant.
Yeah, the admin is the judge, so that might make some of our arguments void, such as the warrant.
My screen is blank. Oh, dang it, I didn't turn on gaming.
Gaming. I feel like our case is kind of one-sided here.
It is.
Yes, the admin has been assigned as the judge, so...
That's not really fair.
Yeah. So, we can't really run many of the, like, oh, I wasn't told the rules, because he'll just be like, well, shut up, and then just kick you from the realm. Since, he's
gonna kick me if I lose. I might just get 30 more days in slavery or something.
That is yet to be seen. It depends on if he's in a good mood or not. What you need to be worried about right now is coming up with your defending arguments. So, right now, you can either plead that you are guilty but that you did not know, that it was wrong on this round, or you can plead that it should not be wrong and that you should be allowed to keep it.
Yeah, that's what I want to plead.
That is the much more difficult road.
Yeah, I want to plead it.
That's
my source of income.
Debate masters.
That's my only source of income, Luke. Do you not understand that?
Can you not settle for another method of income, one that's possibly more along the sides of the law, or is this the only way for you?
This is my only way. I don't have any particular skills.
I see. Yeah. Once you've gone green, you can never go back, as they say. All I can say is that it seems like it's not in our favor.
It's not. But it doesn't matter.
Will prevail. Can I see the merchandise that he was in fact selling and judge for myself whether it was in fact weed or CBD?
Yeah. Can we see the merchandise?
Sure, come here. I have it stored in the courthouse. You don't tamper with my evidence.
I feel like you're the one tampering with evidence here since you are withholding it from both parties.
Yeah, dude.
Both parties? If the judge
What's happening?
my evidence.
One at a time.
Okay.
What seems to be the issue here?
Wiley's withholding evidence.
How so?
Is this?
He won't show us the merchandise, Jacob.
There was no place for you to redeem a license in that shop. You can see.
I didn't know a license was needed. There's no rule saying
There
that.
are 0 dispensaries that have been approved by the state.
Hey, I didn't mean to.
And
Where's the state government
You know
then?
what? No,
Getting physical.
alright, everyone gets their spots. I don't know what you're doing here. You
I'm
can
gonna
just
sit here.
you can be here to watch.
Luke,
Yeah,
Dury,
that's what I'm here
Luke,
for.
Luke.
Come sit here. Just crouch.
Luke, come here.
Should
Let me
we
grab
call
you.
him Dury as a witness?
Yes, yes, Dury is a witness. Dury is a witness.
Okay.
Okay, Dury, come over here. He's a court stenographer. You can't call him as the witness.
Okay.
Dury, come over here.
I'll allow it.
Are you saying that?
I'll allow it.
Okay.
I make the rules here, not you,
Okay.
Mr. Attorney General.
Someone's gonna
Little-
die
I'm the
here.
DA.
I don't want it to be me.
Whatever you are, getting a little big for your
What?
britches here.
Watch what you say on that sign.
Okay, I feel like we need a bit of order in the court right now. We need some
Exactly,
order.
Exactly.
Clearly demonstrates his delinquents.
Excuse me?
I will be
I
shooting
can
anyone
Oh my
who
God.
gets. I will be shooting anyone
I
who gets
need-
allowed.
I need a little lunch break with my
Lunch?
Okay.
I can't do stuff like that to show.
What?
You're not putting up a good case for yourself right now.
I have to present my
I said anti. What's wrong with anti-fun police?
It makes you
Alright,
sound like the lesser
then,
man if you have to belittle the other person to win the argument.
Hold on, let
We're,
me
we're
get
not
the
trying to win that way.
there.
We're trying to win because we have
First,
just.
we
Okay.
have
Okay.
the furnace blocks.
Yeah,
He
okay,
was using to treat the marijuana. Then we have the marijuana itself. It was labeled as this.
Mm-hmm. It was labeled as marijuana.
Was it? in
Was
fact
it? Do you have
labeled as
photographic? Oh wait, I can't
It
say
was
anything.
labeled as weed.
Is there any evidence of this?
Ask him if he has photographic evidence.
I do not.
marijuana? Do you have any photos
Okay,
concerning the
I'm
time?
taking care of this. The
Back
court,
up.
okay. The court is not in session yet. You have to present your evidence beforehand,
Okay.
and then we get into opening arguments.
Okay, and here's the
There.
chest. Here's the chest it was stored in. And here's
Okay.
the dried kelp the dried weed blocks.
A little bit
And
smelly.
here's- It's pretty pungent.
Mm-hmm.
And
Rather
my other
so.
I would like to bring the court
Okay.
stenographer over here for my other evidence.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Court stenographer, will you tell Biggie Bits how my friend's client here was talking about his
That's
medical
physical
marijuana shop
assault.
just a moment ago?
That's
you guys
physical
was telling me it
assault.
was medical.
Let's save this for the court. Let's save this
Oh,
for the
okay,
actual
okay.
actual case.
Okay. I have
All
no
physical
armor.
evidence on the prosecution has been shown.
Hey judge.
Defense, do you
Hey,
have any?
hey judge. Hey judge. Here, I'm just gonna
What are you doing back here?
take that. Take.
That is a clear sign of
I do
guilt.
not.
This is
I
this
will
is
not
what I
be
warned
picking
you of
that
not
up.
doing. I need you. If we
That
have one
is
last
a warning.
Well, it's a
Yes.
gift.
You'll be
It's a
asked-
gift. It's a gift.
You'll be escorted to the jail next time you attempt.
Am I not
drive
allowed to
me.
give gifts now? Is that illegal? I don't remember that being illegal.
I'm gonna be real with you here. Are you sure you want to take
Do
on?
you, okay, defense. Do you have any
Yes.
evidence? Any physical
Might be a
evidence?
quick.
This is not gonna go well if you do. I'm just gonna say that right now.
Yes.
All right. My client was
Get up,
is
get
not
in-
guilty.
Get in front of the court. You're not talking to me. You're talking to the jury. Right here, but pretend there's a jury.
No, it's not
I
a
am
jury.
here.
What is this?
Obviously.
Trial.
Act like-
I am here to
act like-
proclaim that my client, Creeper 9 Reefer.
Hats off. That's very disrespectful.
Apologies. Apologies.
Thank you.
And why are you wearing battle armor in a court?
Only I can wear battle armor.
We know that the judge, jury, and executioner over there.
Alright, get on with it.
All right. My client, Creeper 9 Reefer, is not guilty.
That's when you gasp, Dury.
Whoa! Dude, no way.
He was, in fact, merely selling it as medical marijuana, not as recreational.
Oh my
I
Settle
got him.
down. Settle down.
But that is not the only reason. Another fact is that he was not informed of the terms and the laws of this realm. Aside from this, it is also a rough time for my client, and he needs a bit of money. So, help a brother out, would you?
You are so screwed,
That's
kid.
not very formal speak.
Your attorney's making a
Alright.
joke.
Last time I checked, the prosecution goes first, but we'll just roll with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present the same argument as the defense. Creeper 9 Reefer was operating a medical marijuana shop of his own admission in complete ignorance of the law. This the defense just
Frick.
said.
This is terrible,
They
guys.
fully admit this, ladies and gentlemen. But ignorance of the law does not mean you are exempt from it. He did not apply for a medical marijuana license, which would have been legal.
We're screwed.
But he did not do that, did he? He operated it with impunity, completely disregarding the law.
Chat, we're fricked.
And here,
Oh my god.
Chat, he
Look at
took a
my
stick
hand.
and just
Look what I hold.
shoved it up the butt. We have nothing.
his guilt.
No.
Oh my
His
god.
guilt.
No.
Look how much. Look how much.
Tell me he
One
had
or the other.
I got some for later.
Goodness.
It disgusts me just as much as it disgusts you.
Hey, y'all owe me money for that.
He
don't think they
continues
do.
with this farce, this mockery of the law.
Please be quiet.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it should not
Chat, we're
matter
doing really
what
bad, oh
evidence
no.
I have, whatever happens in this trial. His lawyer and he himself have both admitted to breaking the law. Judge, I'm finished.
You may come
Right.
up now.
So, it may seem
There's
at
an
this
option,
point
just run.
that my client, Creeper 9 Reefer, is guilty. However, the ambiguity of laws strewn across the nation constitutes a necessity that there be some explanation of what is expected. For instance, there are multiple states in which the usage of recreational substances such as marijuana is not, in fact, illegal. As we did not tell him what state this server was following the laws of, we cannot justly punish him. Thank you.
Prosecution? What have you to say about that?
I will be having a twofold argument,
Okay.
if you'll allow it. First, I will present just the facts again, and then I will ask the accused to the stand, if that is okay.
Go ahead.
Chat, I think
Ladies
this
and
is it.
gentlemen.
I think this is it. I think I got it.
Again, I state that ignorance
See what I'm typing
of the
right now?
law
Y'all can't see what
does
I'm typing.
not mean innocence.
I'm currently
He broke
talking
the law.
about I'm off
If
the
I
mainland, dude.
simply run outside and murder someone, I cannot just say that I did not
Here, I'll
know
show y'all for a second.
murder was illegal.
Chat, look.
I broke the law. And even in this young man lives in Texas.
Big brain. Big
There
brain.
is no recreational use in
We're
Texas.
big brain right now.
And this server is owned by an Oklahoman. There is no recreational use in Oklahoma. Even ignoring that argument, he still is his whole premise of his entire case is that he was trying to operate a medical plant, which was just ignored in the defense's last argument. So again, he's completely breaking the law. Their only argument is ignorance. Yes, I agree the law should be communicated better, but that is a problem with legislation and not something that should enter into the courtroom today. Now, Judge, I'd like to.
I was off the mainland. I wasn't in the country.
I would like to bring.
I was
to
off
the-
mainland. So do the laws
to the
still
stand
apply?
now.
Alright. Do what you will.
Come to the stand.
Oh.
Can you please state your name to the court?
Oh. Creeper 9
Do you
Reefer.
live in Creeper
Okay.
9 Reefer?
Mhm.
What state do you reside in, Creeper 9 Reefer?
Trying to dox me on stream.
I don't think naming a state.
Fine, Texas.
Are you
residue.
aware of the weed laws in Texas, my friend?
I think so.
Do you mind stating them to me? Judge, I'm just gonna give you an answer. The answer is it's not legal.
Uh-huh.
I was gonna copy and paste the laws into the Discord.
Yeah.
It's not legal.
Mm-hmm.
Where
Well, that
he
is
lives.
your opinion. It's up for the judge to decide ultimately.
Okay.
Judge.
Yes,
Hey,
May
here's my
I
argument.
take a restroom break real quick?
you may.
Thank you.
You may.
I'm gonna continue grilling his client.
Mm-hmm.
That is acceptable.
Keep going.
Creeper9 Reefer, my friend. Aren't you aware of how Minecraft laws work?
No.
So you admit full ignorance of the law.
No.
Yeah.
Where'd I get a
What?
fishing
Oh
rod?
my god.
Mm-hmm.
Creeper9 Reefer. What is this?
I plead the fifth.
You can't plead the fifth when you're
That's not
on.
how it works.
Can I not?
No, you can't.
Not how
That's
it works.
That's not when you're called as a witness.
Oh my god.
Dang it. This is dried kelp.
That's not what you said earlier.
When did I say that I wasn't dried kelp?
Continue. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
I'm listening. Is this
Okay.
it? Are we done?
Wait,
No,
I didn't
no,
hear what you
no.
said. I didn't hear what you said.
Stenographer, can you refer back in the message to where I was handing out the evidence and this
Mhm.
client here? was
Please
talking about
refrain
how
from
it
abusing the witness.
I'm sorry, Your
That's
Honor.
warning number one.
Can I take him to court for assault after this?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
After this is done, maybe.
Because
He's
he
hit-
did
he's-
stream
he's
snipe
hit-
me the other
he's
day.
hit- He's hit the defense several times already.
It's just how I gesture. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay.
Can you refer back to earlier when I was bragging around the room?
And wait, and okay, I'm gonna be honest. I walked in here not knowing I had a purpose, so I'm gonna try my best.
No,
When
this
they
is
were
the-
talking
this is
about,
the failure of the justice system.
Well, I walked in here thinking I was gonna be a witness.
Judge, you
Oh.
already saw how this. You already saw how this is marijuana.
Yes.
This was found in his shop, which he admitted earlier in the record.
Mm-hmm.
And what is your... So you claim to be operating a medical marijuana shop, correct, Creeper9 Reefer?
Mm-hmm.
And this is your medical marijuana.
It's dried kelp.
Okay, so that still doesn't matter.
You just threw dried kelp at me.
Say you're running a medical marijuana shop, correct?
I mean, you
Okay.
just threw dried kelp at me.
That's enough, prosecution. You've had enough time. It's time for
Hold
you
on,
to
no,
defend.
no.
No,
Did
I'm
you
the
ever-
judge here.
No, okay.
You've used your time. Okay, defense, do you have anything to say?
I think that I have said all that I have needed to.
But with all the evidence in mind and all testimonies taken into account, I think it's very clear that the prosecution has a bogus case against the defense and thus will be thrown out.
What? Based on what? By
Based
their own
on-
admission, they're breaking the law.
No. This
You
bogus
know.
prosecution, you went into his weed shop with no warrant, you went in there and busted down
Let's go, chat! Chat, let's go! Ooh!
It's not
You
for
had no
service.
warrant. You had no warrant. Thus, all evidence found there has been thrown out by the court.
I don't even need that evidence. They
Okay?
just admitted
No,
to running a
I'm-
weed
no.
shop.
Excuse me. I'm the judge here. This case is being
Do
thrown
not
out.
argue with the judge.
This is a travesty.
Mr. 21.
This justice has not been carried out today, good sir.
Oh! Someone help me! Someone
You
help
got a
me!
get out of jail free card.
If you carry out the law through your own hands, you will be duly punished.
Exactly.
You gutter trash.
Excuse me?
Oh my god.
Get out of this courtroom right this
This
instant.
is my courtroom.
No, I'm the judge here.
This is my house.
Chat, he tried.
You're being kicked
Chat,
out
he
of
tried to
the
kill me.
house.
What was that?
Can't do
He was
that.
trying to
Get
execute
out of
me.
here, Wiley. Get out of here.
Yeah,
That's right, go on.
yeah.
Justice has not been served.
Maybe if you
today.
knew how the game actually worked, you would have won this case. See, the
Game.
defense had a better understanding of the game.
What game?
We're in a game.
His argument had so many holes in it.
It's more.
Oh my god.
Better be expecting more where that came from. Okay.
Oh, yes, yes. I'll get you as much as you want. Please. Yeah.
What is
Okay. I'm gonna pretend like I didn't see what I
What
saw.
is
earlier.
Nah, you didn't see anything.
I didn't. I didn't. Nothing
I
happened.
thought we kicked you out
Nothing
of the
happened.
house.
Nothing.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to be in here.
Yeah, I think you got kicked out of this part of your house.
Yeah, you need to go. You need to leave, sir.
Take all evidence.
You're everything that's wrong with this city.
I'm the best part of the city, and you know it. I'm done here. I'm done here.
The streets.
Justice has been served, and everyone knows it except for you.
The streets are filled with filth, and yet you sit there on your golden throne.
It's gonna turn into
God.
like. What kind of debate is it gonna turn into?
Ruining this country.
Well, kiddo.
I'm gonna go repair. I'm gonna go repair my
These
premises
criminals
now.
Run free in the streets.
Yes, we got off scot-free.
By the way,
Thanks to our hard
I
work.
would like to apply for a Oh!
Oh my god.
That's it.
I'm taking him to court.
Alright.
He left. The wuss. He took my stuff and left.
Yeah, your stuff is still here.
There's only one thing that can be done here.
Ban him from the realm.
Thing.
Ban him from the realm.
No.
Do it.
Oh my god, what the heck? I'm sorry?
Ban him from the realm.
That's it. You know what? You know what's gonna happen.
No.
It's only a matter of time.
No.
What are y'all doing to him?
I did the right
We're just
thing.
doing.
You
We're
didn't.
always-
Taking it into your own hands is not doing the right thing.
No.
You can
This was not the
enjoy
first
your
offense.
sentence, scum.
that Wiley did.
Enjoy watching all of us have fun while you just sit there in spectator mode.
And just like that, the saga of Bill Clinton's Minecraft realm has come to an end. What started off as just a group of friends touring around a beautiful realm turned into a bloodbath in the courtroom, with lots of fun stuff in between, having laughs with friends and building weed shops under the ocean. But it all went downhill whenever I was persecuted by Bill Clinton himself. But it doesn't matter because justice prevailed and we won, allowing my weed shop to open and putting Bill Clinton into spectator mode, where he shall stay for a very, very long time. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell me who you think should have won the trial. I'll see you later. Peace.